evidence and according to the complaint that was
Do you ever heal the rift with President Marcos? Do you think you can ever heal the split with President? Can you ever heal the split, the division between you and President Marcos?
I don't think so because we cannot solve the problems of the country. The problem now is that there were campaign promises made and we have yet to see those promises in the country.
But it seems like a very personal split between you, not a bad feeling.
I already explained why I resigned from Department of Education, and it was about the Department of Education budget. And I was in that rally in Davao City in January 2023, where I opposed the amendments to the Constitution, to the People's Initiative, the PI. So these are legitimate issues with the administration and the government.
Are you angry with him, with President Marcos?
Personally, no. But I am angry because he presented himself as president. He presented himself to run as a candidate for president, and he was voted by the people because of what he said on stage. And we cannot, he cannot deliver on his promises when he was on stage on 2020.
Ma'am, reaction nila po sa sinasabi ni Yusek Ler na krimen naman na po yung balik. Hindi kami-kabila. Hindi daw po kami-kabila ang krimen. Sabi ni Yusek Ler.
Hindi daw po tumataas lang kabila.
Hindi daw po mataas ang krimen.
Hindi naman po ang ang Fidel Castro, Philippine National Police. So dapat tingnan nila yung data ng Philippine National Police at bumaba sila doon sa mga barangay at komunidad para makita nila yung reklamo ng mga tao, lalong-lalo na doon sa mga nangyayari na hindi nare-report sa mga